Hey everybody, it's Alan from Diabolical Inc. out of Salt Lake City, Utah. We are here at the California Adventure Overland Expo in Pomona, California. And we are showing off our full Bronco product line that's very similar to the Jeep product line. This is our Slipstream Enclosure. This is the folding removable top that we can pull out. This is part of the 26 parts that creates the structure that gives you a full enclosure behind the back seats. This is our folding removable wall, a couple of spin levers, and you can lay the wall down or remove it completely, have both seats down or single seat access pass through with our access panel that's key locked panel. This is also our drawer system. We are coming out by Easter Jeep Safari with our new 7-inch JLU drawer that you can attach a drawer top assembly to the slide floor. So you've got multi-function for a slide out for fridges and coolers, or you can make it a lockable drawer system. This is a direct bolt-in system that's full aluminum with heavy-duty slides on it that are rated at up to 500 pounds aggregate. So more than enough for what you're doing. They are lock-in, lock-out slides. And either for the Bronco or the Jeep, you will still have full access to your underfloor storage compartment. And then what's also part of our drawer system design is removable top panels. So you can go from a slide floor to a drawer system in about 2 minutes. Its spin knobs hold the top panels on. It's enough structural weight capacity that 2 people can still sleep in the back end comfortably with the drawer system. Then lock it up. And then over here is all of our new Ineos Grenadier products. Again, our full drawer system. This has what we call the leveling kit. This is all standard in a complete drawer system. What's really cool is not only is it level with the seats down so you can sleep in the back end or use the whole back end at the same level, is you have access panels and a structure to side cubbies and access to your rear pocket door area that holds your jack assembly for the Ineos Grenadier. Again, the same style drawer system, 2 paddle latches, heavy duty slides. This is a full width 41-inch outside drawer dimensions by 36 deep. So now you've got the ability to have one huge drawer system, extremely lightweight. The drawer system only weighs 106 pounds total, and it comes with the EVA marine deck mats as part of the full drawer system. So you've got anti-slip capability and protection for the top of your drawer system. Keep stuff from sliding around. Then our next product is our mid-deck shelf, which bolts to the 2 factory D-rings on both sides. So it's got a steel frame structure with a 60-inch wide by 21-inch front to back, 3 inches tall, all aluminum deck. So you can put anything you want in here. The capacity on this is up to 200 pounds. It's super strong, and you can actually adjust it by spin knobs on the underside to pull the tray forward or backwards to set it closer to the doors. So if you want to do the divider system, like the dog wall mesh system, you can still do that with the mid-deck system. And then our new design product is, this is our upper deck. All aluminum, bolts to the factory mount points in the upper walls. And you have a 24-inch deep by 42-inch wide aluminum tray that's hinged to make it easy access to load it. Put it back up into position. Spin levers lock the panel up into place so it's super easy for loading, unloading, and complete use of your Ineos Grenadier. So if you see anything you like here from Diabolical Inc. for the Ineos Grenadier, the Ford Bronco, or the Jeep JLUs, JKUs, Gladiators, you can find all of those different items on our website at www.diabolicalinc.com, or give us a call at 801-634-0521. And we're also at Diabolical_Inc. on Instagram.